Eto ha, paprangkahin lang kita. Gusto mo makareceive ng $1,000 a month pero you are targeting startup business owner. You are targeting small business owner na wala naman talaga sila pambayad ng $1,000 a month sa social media. Though yes, meron. Okay, let's be realistic. Pero if you are starting out as social media manager tapos gusto mo makareceive ng $1,000 a month tapos startup business yung tinatarget mo, eh hindi ka magkakaroon talaga ng client. Reason why I want you to be realistic to really know who is your targeting based on your goal. Kasi kayo, basta-basta kayo nag-start without knowing who is my target audience, without knowing what's my goal. Parang ang gusto mo lang, gusto ko magkaroon ng pera, pero you are not sure what services you are offering. Ano yung mapapala sa'yo ng client? So, ask yourself, ano ba yung skill na ma-offer ko sa kanila? Saan ko ba sila matutulungan? Sino ba yung target audience ko? Gusto ko kasi makareceive ng ganitong money. Ayun. Yun yung mga bagay na dapat yung tandaan. Huwag ka lang mag-start because you want to earn money. Mag-start ka because you have some skill that you can help with business owners. Kailangan kasi yan, give and take. May mabigay ka sa kanya, may mabibigay siya sa'yo. Huwag lang yung ikaw lang yung take ng take pero hindi ka nag-give ng any value to them.